Here is the sign for remember. Okay, the hand shapes are going to be the same. We're going to use the letter A from the alphabet. A, B, C, right? A. Now, how do we make an A? Well, start like this. Fingers together. Bring the fingers down. Now, put your thumb alongside. Wah! We have an A. If you're just going to sign it once, you'd go A. All right, so we have those A's. I'm right-handed with my non-dominant hand. I'm just going to stick that first one right here. So the palm's facing down and away, right? There we go. So I'm right-handed once again. Take that first A. I'm going to use the tip of the thumb. I'm going to tap on the side of my forehead. Now tap on the thumb of the other finger. So forehead to thumb. All right, tip of the thumb right there. So all together it's remember. Remember. From the side, remember. From the other side, remember. From the front again, remember. All right, starting from the rest position, sign with me. Let's do it 3 times. Remember, remember, remember. Okay, hand shapes are what? The letter A, right, both hands. Non-dominant hand, put it down there. Dominant hand, you're going to use that tip of the thumb. Touch the side of your forehead, come down and touch the other thumb. Remember. Okay, we just talked about how to sign remember. Here is the sign for forget. Okay, use your dominant hand. I'm right-handed. First, make this hand shape. All right, fingers together, thumb alongside. Now bend it in so it's kind of concave, curved, if you will. All right, we're going to take the inside of the tips of the fingers, put them up here at our forehead. You can lightly touch your forehead. Now we're going to wipe across, and we're going to bring the fingers in. All right, so when we finish, the hand shape is actually the letter A. Ah, how nice. So we have forget. 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 From the side, forget. 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 From the front again, forget. Okay, so starting from the rest position, let's sign together. Let's sign forget 3 times. Sign with me. Here we go. Forget. 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 All right, a couple things. 1, you can lightly brush your forehead. That's how I do it. Or if you don't want to touch your forehead at all, that's fine too. Another thing is that you can put it in your facial expression, right? Like this picture here, she's like, I was expecting a candle. And you're like, forget, forget, right? Add in the facial expression to show, if you're really sorry about it, you can be like, oh, forget. It's not a big deal. And you don't really care. You're like, forget. Okay, so hand shape once again, starting like this, kind of concave there. Tips of the fingers on the inside, right here. Wipe across, end up in the letter A, right? Forget. Forget. Okay, now you might be thinking, this hand motion looks familiar, I swear. And I'd be like, aha, you are correct. All right, so forget up at the forehead, that is forget. If you put it at your chin, it becomes better, the sign for better. All right, better. So remember at the chin, it's better. What we need here for forget, it's going to be up at the forehead. Like it's leaving your mind. Oh, forget. Forget. Okay, we just talked about the sign for forget.